How to install the range extender plate on your e-bike. You will need a 4mm Allen key, the range extender plate, range extender battery, and plastic washers for this installation. The range extender plate may come pre-installed on the battery. It will slide off with the battery lock unlocked. The range extender port is on the non-drive side of the seat tube. If you don't have any pre-installed, they are M5x10 bolts. Remove the bolts on your down tube with a 4mm Allen key. Place the plastic washers over each empty hole. Align the holes on the range extender plate with the threaded bolt holes. Loosely reinstall the bolts. You can slide the plate up and down to adjust battery position. With the plate positioned, fully tighten all of the bolts. The Type 2 end connector of the battery plate has a tabbed locking mechanism. Insert the Type 2 connector into the range extender port. Twist the locking mechanism to secure the connector. Slide your range extender battery onto the plate. Lock the battery to secure it to the e-bike.